Good morning, I am Philip Dang from Group 18 and my group members are Sitij Mehta, Salman Khalid and Ashish Kumar. So as we have already done the rainfall plus deforestation dashboard in our first video, which we have done it using Python, so we will be doing the COVID-19 dashboard using Power BI. So this is our dashboard, and for this we have used this data set. So basically it contains the day-wise data of different countries along with the cases and death count. Also we have divided the countries into continent wise. So at the first row it contains three card visualization which shows cases, death and population respectively, and at the end we have one range slider to select the range of month from January to September. And here is a drop down selection which is used to select any country whose data which we want to visualize. And at the right of it, here is a line graph which shows the basic trend of cases and death along the various months, and this is the tilted bar graph which shows the COVID-19 cases count along with the countries labeled. And this pie chart basically contains the distribution of COVID-19 cases along various continents. And at the end we have added one map visualization so that we can easily visualize the spread of coronavirus around the whole world. And at the second page we have the COVID and the temperature analysis dashboard. So for this we have used another data which is this. It contains the day wise data from January to April, and it also contains the humidity and maximum temperature along with the confirmed cases. So this dashboard, so from here we can select any country whose data which we want to visualize, and it contains three line graph. The first one shows the maximum temperature by days, the second one shows the humidity, and third one shows the confirmed cases. So here also we have used the three card visualization same as before, and also one range slider to select the range of the days. So as we can see from the graph that almost the COVID-19 cases are inversely proportional to humidity and maximum temperature according to the data of France. So this was our COVID-19 dashboard, and Ashish has the least contribution in it, and Salman has helped me through the data set, and Sirij helped me in the visualization part.